Has your phone seen better days? Did your tablet take a tumble and is clutching to life by a thread? Unfortunately, the smallest of accidents can have the biggest of consequences for your precious devices. The good news? These seemingly dire consequences are merely temporary, thanks to our quick, easy, and efficient mobile and tablet repair services. We're equipped with the team and tools needed to fix damage caused by liquids, charging faults, software faults, LCD replacement, and so much more. We're able to use both original and generic parts to save you a few bucks. Our record-breaking turnaround times get you back in action without delay. Whether you need help for your iPhone, Samsung, LG, Nokia, Lenovo, Acer, whatever, you've got the broken device. Now let us make it a happy device once again. Get in touch with us today and restore your precious device to its former glory.